on the front steps is a foot of snow, and it's still snowing outside. Look at that tape measure. I don't know if you can see that well, but it's a foot. Now that's a blizzard. Now this is my foot on top of the snow on the front steps. And watch this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Joy. This is what I have to clean off. But I have a friend who's gonna help me with that job. It's called Mr. Cup Cadet. Let's see. He's right there. He's a beauty. Cup Cadet. This is what I'm going to be using to get rid of all this damn snow. Yep. So, anyways, 2015 snowstorm. Finally, got some real snow. Been waiting. Neighbors. Daycare.